Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Mickey Pacheco surrenders at Sessions Court. Court gives 2 days judicial custody to Mickey. Mickey admitted in ICU Hospicio after complaining of hypertension. Police seek custody of Pacheco. Lyndon comes to the crime branch after evading police for 3 weeks. Says he was fearing illegal arrest. Lyndon exclusively speaks to Prudent before going to the crime branch, says he was not absconding and was very much in Goa. Narhari Haldankar is the front-runner for BJP ticket in Valpoi. Haldankar says final decision rests with the party. And in sports, pre-tournament favourites Brazil knocked out of the FIFA World Cup. Brave Netherlands win over football lovers from Goa. And now the news in detail. Mickey Pacheco has been admitted in the ICU of Hospicio Hospital in Madgaon. Mickey has filed for interim bail after surrendering before the Sessions Court. He is remanded to 2 days judicial custody as court will give order on his petition on Monday. Mickey was sent for medical examination to Hospicio when he got admitted in the hospital.
Mickey Pacheco surrendered himself before the Sessions Court on Saturday. Mickey was underground for more than a month in Nadia death case. Mickey's anticipatory bail plea was rejected by the Supreme Court. He had no other option than to surrender. Mickey later filed for an interim bail before the Sessions Court. Order on this petition will be pronounced on Monday. Till then, Mickey is given 2 days judicial custody. He was sent to Hospicio Hospital for medical examination. The doctors at the hospital confirmed that Mickey is suffering from hypertension. He was immediately admitted in the ICU for treatment.
So how long it will take him?
I don't know.
So admitted in ICU?
Yeah.
Maybe heart problem?
Heart problem as such we are just monitoring now. We can't tell you. But hypertension is there. That's all.
Mickey's advocate Surendra Desai said that Mickey was a close friend of Nadia. It seems that Mickey, with his utmost efforts, tried to help Nadia. On the other side, Crime Branch has asked for Mickey's police custody. This petition by the Crime Branch will be heard on Monday.
I have also moved an application to the court asking for his custody to be given to us, Crime Branch, for his interrogation in this offence. And this application has been kept for arguments hearing on Monday. Lyndon, we had called him today, we have interrogated him and he's again gone back. So we'll be calling him more for the interrogation.
Media persons had an informal interaction with Mickey Pacheco after the hearing. Mickey made certain clarifications but off the camera. I have not killed Nadia. I wanted to save Nadia. Nadia was my good friend. I never expected her to commit suicide. I spent a lot of money on her treatment. I am framed. A politician may be behind framing me. Advocate Amit Palekar gave us more details.
Mickey surrendered before the court. Accordingly, he has been remanded to judicial custody till Monday until the matter will come up for final hearing. The bail application which we had filed will come up for final hearing on Monday. Back to that.
आणि किती म्हणून सांगता आता केन्ना हियरिंग केन्ना व्हरलें
स्टेटाक नोटीस इश्यू केल्या मंडे सोमारा 2:30 दवरला मॅटर इन द मेन टायम ताका ज्युडिशियल लॉकअपान धाडला.
Mickey's hardcore supporters expressed their feelings. They said that it is a trap against Mickey to tarnish his political career.
Judicial तो मर्डर कसरी इन्वॉल्व ना त्या अंडर पॉलिटिकल प्रेशराचेर त्या प्रेशरायज कोताय कित्याक ते जाणां मुखार तांकां तेंचो फुडार एकदम वायट आहा म्हूण कित्याक जायतीं सिटां तो जिखोवन हाडपाक ताका कापोस्ताद आहा आनी ते प्रमाणे ते ताका आतां हिंगाच प्रेस कोताय. दिस इज प्युअरली पॉलिटिकल. तेजेर कसले चार्जीस नाय पूण ते चार्जीस बेश्टे तेजेर घालताय.
कित्याक तो जायत पावलो लोकां हात नासलोले हात दिले पांय नासलोले पांय दिले बेश्टो बाय कसले फायदो ना कोण मरे मन सगळी वयताय आमकां तेरा आयले धांडायताय मरे आनी मग मिकीन केन्ना आमकां धांडायलो ना कोत्त म्हूण उतर पूण दितलो पूण धांडायची ना केन्ना
तेका आज पासा भिजोनाय
हेचो पासान भिजले
A reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt and Ramesh Naik Raut.
Lyndon Montero reached the crime branch on Saturday morning for interrogation. Lyndon cleared that he was not absconding but was fearing an illegal arrest from the police. He avoided commenting on any of the questions pertaining to the case. Lyndon's bail application is scheduled for hearing in the Supreme Court after 3 weeks.
Lyndon Montero was summoned to be present at the crime branch on Saturday morning. He is being interrogated in the Nadia death case. He said that he was not absconding.
तू स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड केला आता का बसलेलं करता चालू आहे बघ
कोण करता
पीआय करता
काय परत आपल्याला तुमका
ना हांव जेवणा करता
परत
ना दुसरा आनी पीआय हांव एब्सकॉन्डिंग मुझे एप्लिकेशन वेरियस कोर्टां पयलें सेशन्स कोर्टां आसलें मागीर हायकोर्टान आशिल्लें ते उपरांत मागीर सुप्रीम कोर्टान आशिल्लें आनीक जे मेरेन कोर्ट मुझे एप्लिकेशन हाचेर डिसिजन दिना ते मेरेन आय वॉज evading to meet the police.
Lyndon preferred to speak less as his bail application is pending in the Supreme Court.
My application is still there before the Honorable Supreme Court, and as such I will not be able to comment much on that.
Lyndon says, I was fearing an illegal arrest from the police.
No, I was fearing that I will be illegally arrested in this case.
Who is framing you then?
See, since the matter is before the Supreme Court, I will not be able to say anything on that because let the Honorable Supreme Court decide on my bail application.
Lyndon has assured his total cooperation to the investigation.
I will not come in the way of the investigation. Whatever they want me for, I will fully cooperate with the police. Supreme Court पुढे मुझे जेन्ना एप्लिकेशन आसा, I will not be able to comment on any of these questions.
A reporter from Donapal, Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Lyndon Montero, in his first and exclusive interview after Nadia death controversy, has said that he was not hiding and was very much in Goa. The former OSD to the tourism minister spoke to Prudent before going to the crime branch for interrogation. Lyndon spoke about their stand on the case, excise scam and drug nexus, and his cooperation with the investigation authorities. Here are the excerpts.
I was not hiding. In fact, the day the crime branch had issued me a summons, that day itself I have asked for anticipatory bail to the Honorable Sessions Court. And from there on, I have been in the court until the matter came before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and the Honorable Supreme Court granted me interim relief.
You have a political clout and you can influence the investigation.
I am a law-abiding citizen, and I know that the law does not permit you to tamper with evidence or destroy evidence or do anything that will hamper the investigation. And as I have said earlier, being a law-abiding citizen, I will never do such things.
One is excise scam and second is police drug mafia nexus. ह्या दोन गजाली लागून खंय तरी आता ह्या प्रकरणा भितर तुमकां गुंतोवपाचो प्रयत्न जालो.
ते तुमी म्हणटा आनीक खुबशे लोकूय बी म्हणटा, बट आय विल नॉट से एनीथिंग एट दीस जंक्चर.
Okay.
I want this investigation to be carried out in a free and fair manner. If there is a police drug mafia nexus, if there is a politician police drug mafia nexus, or if there is an excise scam, our arm of law is very strong that it will eventually catch up with the accused, with the people who are trying to suppress, and with the people who are trying to destroy evidence in those matters.
Mr. Lyndon Montero, are you innocent?
My silence will speak everything. I don't want to say anything on this because again I don't want anything that I speak to come in the way of my petition which is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.